you can't beat going to Israel 3 weeks after the Six-Day War. That was incredible. I think today, when there's so much conflict, it's hard for people to imagine the unity that there was then. Every store had a hand-lettered sign in the window that said Kol HaKavod to Tzahal. I mean, anywhere you went, you could buy a little toy paratrooper. It just, you know, the feeling of pride and optimism was absolutely incredible. And going, you know, going to the wall before there were divisions for men and women, it was just an incredibly exciting time.